welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Bella, and today we're heading to Hornby Island. I've never been to Hornby and I'm super excited. I'm going with Kim and Connor, and Colin's gonna meet us there tomorrow, so let's go have a really exciting trip. It's supposed to be really nice weather, so I'm so excited about that because it's been raining for so long. But anyways, let's go. Here at Fossil Beach. We are shooting some sunset photos and exploring around here because it's so beautiful. It's the best. Also, this is Kim. She's never been on my vlog before. She's in the vlog. She's in the vlog a lot. And Connor, her boyfriend, is here somewhere. Yeah. He was just wearing these jeans, and now I put them on. They are definitely his sisterhood of the traveling pants jeans for sure. Connor will put them back on later in this vlog so you guys can see, and then Kim's gonna put them on. Colin will not be putting them on because he probably will not. He'll fit one leg. He'll fit one leg. He's too tall. Came out to Grassy Point. It's so pretty here. I highly recommend coming here. It is a beautiful spot for sunrise if you can get up early enough. So yeah, here's Grassy Point. Okay, so we came back, made some instant oatmeal, and I had a nectarine, and now I got changed. This is my fit for the day. And I got sunscreen on, so let's go explore now. So we are heading to go paddleboarding now. They have paddleboards available at Fossil Beach Farms if you stay here. So yeah, let's go do paddleboarding. It's high tide right now. It's 6 p.m. So let's do that. Morning, it's 5 a.m., 5:15, probably 5:30 now. I just said 3 different times in a matter of 5 seconds. We are at Sandpiper Beach this morning for sunrise. It's gonna be so pretty, and then we're probably gonna nap because we're both tired. Even though we both look like balls of joys right now, we're gonna need some sleep. Hornby trip. I hope you guys really liked it. Like, subscribe, comment, and hope you enjoyed that. It was a really fun trip. Anyways, bye guys.